Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Dallas, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we're going to talk about building decks and patios around pools and spas, and what makes a surface safe and comfortable for bare feet in a wet area. Poolside spaces work harder than normal decks. They handle constant splashing, wet feet, sunscreen, and sometimes pool chemicals. That means your surface needs to resist water, stay reasonably cool under the sun, and give enough traction so people don't slip. The wrong material or layout can turn a pool area into a maintenance headache. The right setup feels solid and simple to live with. Let's start with surface choices. Concrete is common around pools because it's strong, easy to slope for drainage, and can be finished with textures that add grip. Pavers provide a similar feel with more pattern and repair flexibility. Poolside decking can work as well, especially when you want a warmer, softer feel than concrete. When we use decking near pools, we look at composite and PVC-style boards designed for heavy moisture and outdoor exposure. Some lines from TimberTech are built specifically to handle wet environments and resist long-term water damage. Temperature is a big factor in Dallas. Dark surfaces in direct sun will get hot, whether they're concrete, stone, or composite. Lighter colors usually stay more comfortable underfoot. If your pool area is fully exposed, we might steer you toward lighter decking or concrete finishes and consider shade from pergolas or covers in key lounging areas. It's also important to manage water so it doesn't puddle. Proper slopes and drainage paths help move water away from seating and walking zones instead of letting it sit. Traction is just as important. Smooth, glossy surfaces can be slick when wet. Textured finishes, broom-finished concrete, or deck boards with built-in grain and grip help reduce slipping. Even with good surfaces, it's smart to avoid sharp level changes right at the pool edge and to keep steps clear and visible. For raised pool decks, sturdy railings and gates around the water help keep kids and pets safer. Composite decking from brands like TimberTech or Trex can be a good poolside option when installed correctly with the right gapping, ventilation, and fastening. These boards are designed to resist rot and insects and don't need frequent staining like wood. Simple cleaning a few times a year is usually enough. Around pools, we also pay attention to how boards meet coping or concrete edges so there aren't small trip points or places where water gets trapped. At Tough Deck Builders Dallas, we design the pool deck and surrounding patios together so the whole area drains correctly and feels comfortable to walk on. You can reach our team at 469-778-4942 or visit toughdeckbuildersdallas.com if you'd like to talk through materials and layouts for a poolside deck or patio. When you stand around your pool, ask 3 questions. First, where does water naturally flow and collect after people swim? Second, which areas get full sun the longest during the day? Third, where do you actually sit, walk, and watch kids the most? Those answers will help shape which materials and layouts make the most sense for your yard. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Dallas. In our next episode, we'll talk about building a low-maintenance outdoor space so you can spend more time enjoying your deck and less time cleaning it.